Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we are going to learn how to create a sign-up form in HTML and CSS. First, you have to open VS Code and then click on Open Folder or File, Open Folder, Documents. Now I'm going to create a new folder called Sign Up Form and then open. Make a new file called index.html and another one called index.css. Then I'm going to write HTML5, save, and then I'm going to write link rel equals style sheet href index.css. And then I'm going to click on Go Live, or you can just right click and click on Open with Live Server. Now that it has opened our document, I'm going to create a new tab and search for Railway and then click on Google Fonts Railway. Now, if you haven't selected Railway before, you can click on one of these. You can click on one of the text that has a plus button. But I am going to be using this one, so if you haven't selected Railway before, click on this one. But since I've already selected it, I'm just going to click on at import and then copy this. And then paste it. And then I'm going to close Google Fonts. Anyways, I'll create a form. And in it, I will write first name, input, placeholder equals type, your first name, and then type equals text. But this is optional since it is already set to type equals text by default. I am also going to put required and also putting the slash before. If you're writing an input tag, putting the slash before this is optional. You could just do it like this, but I usually prefer to do it like this. Now I'm going to write two BR tags and then last name, input, placeholder equals type your last name and another required also going to write asterisk. Font family is railway, comma, cursive. See that everything instantly looks better. I'm going to put another 2BR tags. Bottom. Type equals submit. Submit. I'm going to replace the submit with sign up. Anyways, I'm also going to put these in a special tag called SS so that we won't have to do it later. If you have watched my how to create a simple form video, then you know what this is all about. Anyways, I'm going to wrap this up inside of a special tag and write email input placeholder equals type your email address and then type equals email and lastly required. Copy this and then paste it. And then change this from email to password. And change this from type equals email to type equals password. And change this email address to type your password. I'm going to put 2BR tags. I'm also going to create a link that says href equals hashtag. Href equals hashtag means that it's not going to be linked to anything. And then I'm going to write already have an account. Log in. But if you click on it, just add a hashtag to here. Anyways, I'm also going to add a h1 tag that says sign up. Now I'm going to wrap everything up in a div tag. ID is equal to sign underscore up. And then I'll select everything and click on tab to indent it. You'll see why this is later. Anyways, this sign up form is looking very bland. So I'm going to write hashtag sign underscore up. Background color is aquamarine. also going to write box shadow 00 50 pixels RGBA 0,0,0,0.5. And now, if this doesn't work, like you see for me, you can copy and paste the link or redo it. Anyways, I'm going to write inset I'm going to write hashtag sign up a color coral. I'm going to write crimson instead. Anyways, this form doesn't need any more styling, but I'm just going to add some more styling. Now I'm going to write SS font size 25px. Now you see that they're bigger. I'm also going to write font width 999, but everything can be bolder. Anyways, I'll write hashtag sign underscore up input padding 10px. Once you're contented with the padding, you need to write box shadow 00 10px RGBA 0,0,0.5. We are also going to keep the border now, but instead write border 2px black and then solid. I'm going to change this black to grey. I'm also going to write border radius 10 pixels. I'm going to write hashtag sign up button padding 10 pixels. Now I'm going to write background color is coral. I'm going to write border 2px solid salmon. I'm going to write border radius 10 pixels. Firstly, I'm going to style the background by writing body, coral, background color, coral, I'm going to write cornflower blue instead. Then I'm going to write box shadow, inset 00, 10px, 100px, RGBA, Lastly, for this form, I'm going to write H1 sign up into the following form and change it into a H2 . Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye!